everybody, my name's Troy Hawes and welcome once again to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. Today, by request, we're going to review a great song called I Melt With You. It was written and performed by the British new wave band Modern English. I Melt With You peaked at number 7 on the rock album and top track charts in 1983. But before we get started, be sure to click the subscribe button, as I'm always trying to put up new content on a regular basis. In addition, if you like my guitar tutorials and covers, you might actually also like my original music, which can now be purchased or streamed from any one of your favorite online music providers. Simply look up Troy Hawes and you'll find my music there. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at the chords that you're going to need to know first. Then we'll perform the cover. Afterwards, we'll go in depth and have a closer look at the chord progression. As always, I'm going to use a great backbeat from my Beatbuddy by Singular Sound. So if you want to learn a great new wave song from the 80s, stick around. We're going to get started right now. Okay, in order to get all the way through I Melt With You, you're going to need to know 5 chords. Let's have a closer look at them now. The first one is a C chord. Now the C chord that I'm playing incorporates the G note of the 6th string 3rd fret. Just keep that in mind. You can play a standard C chord as well, that will work. There's also an F chord in this. Now what I think I'm hearing though is an F major 7. The F chord will work as well when you're playing through the song. There's also an E minor. There's a G chord. And then there's an A minor. That's it. Those 5 chords are going to get you all the way through this great song. Let's get to the cover.
Moving forward, using all my breath, making love to you was never second best. I saw the world crashing all around your face, never really knowing it was always meshing lace. I stopped the world and melt with you. You've seen the difference, and it's getting better all the time. There's nothing you and I won't do. I'll stop the world and melt with you. Dream of better lives, the kind which never hates, trapped in a state of imaginary grace. I made a pilgrimage to save this human's race, never comprehending the race had long gone by. I stopped the world and melt with you. You've seen the difference, and it's getting better all the time. There's nothing you and I won't do. I'll stop the world and melt with you. The future's open wide. difference, and it's getting better all the time. There's nothing you and I won't do. I'll stop the world and melt with you. I'll stop the world and melt with you. I'll stop the world and melt with you.
Okay, let's get to the chord progression. Now, I'm not sure if you noticed while we were playing the cover that the majority of this song, I'm talking 95% of this song, only incorporates two chords, the C and the F. It's only at the bridge where we use the additional three chords, the E minor, the G, and the A minor. So with that said, we'll have a look at that bridge separately. But for now, let's get to the verses and choruses, because again, they use the two same chords. The song basically starts on the C major chord. Here we go. Moving forward using all my breath, making love to you was never second best. I saw the world crashing all around your face, never knowing it was always mesh and lace. I stopped the world and melt with you. You've seen the difference, and it's getting better all the time. There's nothing you and I won't do. I'll stop the world and melt with you. And that's it. Just repeats itself over and over again. Very easy to do. Let's quickly have a look at that bridge. Okay, the E minor, the G chord, the A minor, and a C chord make up the bulk of the bridge. Very, very easy to play. From the bridge, you go into that part of the song where they, I guess they hum. They go, hmm, 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 hmm. That basically incorporates the C and the F again, as if you were back singing the verses and the choruses. With that said, let's have a closer look. Again, the bridge starts on the E minor chord. Here we go. The future's open wide. Mm-hmm. 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 And that just takes you right back into the chorus. And there you have it. I Melt With You by Modern English. Thank you for tuning in to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. My name is Troy Hawes. Again, if you like my guitar tutorials and covers, please consider subscribing. I do truly, truly appreciate it. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.